Looking to elevate your menu with mouth-watering milkshakes? Discover the best milkshake maker machines that are revolutionizing diners, food trucks, and cafes. From traditional creamy concoctions to modern vegan blends and extravagant freak shakes, these machines cater to every craving. Featuring top-of-the-line performance, durability, and innovative features, our curated selection ensures you can whip up the perfect shake every time. Stay ahead in the booming milkshake market and satisfy your customers with the best in the business. Let's dive into the top picks that are shaking up the scene. All the products featured in this video can be found in the description below. For more comprehensive analysis and handy comparison, please visit our website at smartpicked.com. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell to keep up with our latest updates. Now, let's jump into the listicle. Number 5. Brentwood Classic Milkshake Maker. The Brentwood Classic Milkshake Maker adds flair to your kitchen with its bright teal color and retro style. With its stainless steel spindle, this machine promises durability and longevity. It can whip up thick or thinner shakes, smoothies, and all your favorite frozen treats in under 2 minutes. Impressive, right? You can also mix malts, protein drinks, or even cocktails. 2 speeds, low and high, enable you to achieve the perfect consistency for your mixtures. This flexibility sets it apart from other models which often lack such control. The 15-ounce cup makes the entire process seamless and smooth, especially when you're in the mood for a quick snack or a refreshing drink. One of the standout features is the ease of cleaning due to the food-safe stainless steel spindle. Durability and easy maintenance make it ideal for frequent use. Comparing it to similar models, this milkshake maker goes above and beyond in both functionality and style. However, the cup size might feel a bit small if you're making drinks for more than one person. But given its numerous benefits, this seems like a minor hiccup rather than a deal breaker. The Brentwood Classic Milkshake Maker is the best retro-style milkshake maker machine for those who love a blend of nostalgia and efficiency. Number 4. Nostalgia Electric 2-Speed Milkshake Maker. Get ready to bring an ice cream parlor into your home. The Nostalgia Electric 2-Speed Milkshake Maker offers a retro vibe that's both fun and easy to use. This nifty device, with its powerful 100-watt motor, makes crafting your favorite drinks a breeze. Its 2-speed functionality lets you effortlessly customize each shake's thickness to your liking. The 16-ounce stainless steel mixing cup is both durable and stylish. Plus, the sturdy mixing rod ensures every blend is smooth. The flip-top head and detachable spindle make cleaning quick and hassle-free, keeping your kitchen neat after every use. One of the standout features is its weighted base. This means no frustrating tipping over while mixing, providing much-needed stability. Unlike other models, Nostalgia's version goes beyond just drinks. You can make pancake batters, whip up eggs for omelets, or experiment with other recipes. A minor gripe is the noise level at high speeds. Adjusting to a lower setting helps manage this, making it less intrusive. Despite this, what I love most about the Nostalgia Milkshake Maker is its versatility. It's not just a one-trick pony. It's a handy kitchen tool for various recipes. Considering all its features, this milkshake maker is a standout product. Still searching for the perfect milkshake maker machine? Don't give up just yet. We have more coming your way. If this happens to be your first time here, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you can stay updated when we release new videos. You won't be disappointed. Number 3. Commercial Stainless Milkshake Maker. The Commercial Stainless Milkshake Maker is here to transform your kitchen experience. This powerhouse offers 2 speeds and a user-friendly design, making it stand out in the market. One striking feature of this machine is its dual head design. Each cup can hold up to 22 fluid ounce, providing a total capacity of 44 fluid ounce. You can whip up multiple shakes in one go, perfect for busy kitchens. The stainless steel housing gives it a sleek look while ensuring durability by protecting the motor. This versatility allows you to create the perfect texture, whether you're making a smoothie, malt, or frozen coffee beverage. Adjusting the speed is a breeze, and it genuinely enhances your culinary creativity. This milkshake maker is incredibly versatile. Beyond ice cream treats, it can handle milk tea, fruit tea, and even milk foam mixing. The simplicity of use is a major plus. Just pour in your beverage, select the speed, and watch the magic happen. This makes it ideal for both beginners and pros. What I love most is its quality craftsmanship. Stainless steel construction ensures it can withstand pressure and wear, safeguarding the motor for long-term use. The machine can be a bit noisy, but adjusting the speed helps mitigate this issue, making it a minor inconvenience rather than a deal breaker. This milkshake maker stands out for its dual head capacity, adjustable speeds, and premium build quality. It's a must-have for any milkshake enthusiast. Number 2, VEVOR Stainless Steel Electric Milkshake Maker Kit. VEVOR's Stainless Steel Electric Milkshake Maker Kit is a powerhouse. With a robust build and high efficiency, this mixer impresses from the first use. Crafted from durable stainless steel, every inch of this device looks stylish and ensures long-lasting performance. The sleek exterior is both visually appealing and sturdy, catering to frequent use in busy environments like restaurants, cafes, and food trucks. Despite its powerful 180-watt motor, operating at 18,000 revolutions per minute, it maintains smooth efficiency. The double head design is a real game changer, reducing waiting time by allowing you to create multiple drinks at once. It boosts productivity, making it perfect for fast-paced settings. Featuring 2 speed options, you can easily adjust the mixer's pace. Whether you need a gentle stir or a quick blend, this feature lets you tailor the process to your beverage's requirements. The end result is always a silky, delicious milkshake. What stands out the most is its user-friendly design with a micro switch. Just buckle the cup and it starts automatically. The 360-degree rotating head ensures better tasting drinks with even mixing. However, all that power comes with a bit of noise at higher speeds. It's manageable, but worth noting if you prefer quieter operations. This product balances style, efficiency, and user-friendly features remarkably well. Before we unveil the top pick, don't forget to take a look at the description below for the latest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. Hamilton Beach 727B DrinkMaster Electric Drink Mixer. You're going to love the Hamilton Beach 727B DrinkMaster Electric Drink Mixer. This mixer isn't just for milkshakes. It's your go-to for all sorts of beverages and even some baking needs. Mixing with this device is like having a mini diner at home. From classic milkshakes to lattes and cocktails, the versatility of what you can whip up is amazing. It even includes an extra-large 28-ounce stainless steel cup, which is great when you need to mix a large serving for 1 or 2. I adore how it makes adding fruits and candy mix-ins a breeze. One of its best features is the tilt-back head. You can easily access the cup to add ingredients or take it off once you're done. Cleaning is simple too. Just tilt the head back, remove the cup, and detach the mixing spindle for dishwasher cleanup. Its dual speeds let you start slow and speed up as needed. This means you can mix to the perfect texture without making a mess. I found this level of control really useful. It's not just for drinks either. It doubles as a helpful tool for fluffy batters, beating eggs, or making dressings. Compact yet stylish, it fits perfectly on your counter without taking up much space. What I love most is its versatility and convenience. Overall, it's clear why the Hamilton Beach 727B DrinkMaster is the best milkshake maker machine. That's a wrap! We trust you enjoyed exploring our selection of best milkshake maker machines. If you did, please show your support by giving us a thumbs up and clicking the subscribe button. Additionally, feel free to share in the comments which milkshake maker machine you're considering. Let's turn your choice into reality. Thanks for tuning in, and we look forward to seeing you in our upcoming videos.